Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at CVS for a super quick trip. This is probably going to be the quickest CVS trip I've ever done because I want to do a few deals that I was not able to do on yesterday. So this first deal I wasn't able to do, we're going to do on the Blue Diamond almonds. These are on sale 2 for $6. I think this is probably going to be the only deal that I'm going to be using paper coupons in. Everything else should just be all digital, but we're going to grab a total of 4 of these Blue Diamond Extreme almonds because y'all know we really like the cayenne pepper flavor. And the reason I did not do this deal on yesterday is because I had to get some more coupons from Sam's Coupon Clipping Center. These are the $1.50 coupons that came out 6/26, and they don't expire until the end of the month on 8/28. So these 4 are going to total me up to $12. I'm going to be using a 3 off of 10 snack CRT, but you could use any snack or food CRT with this purchase. With that coupon, that's going to bring me down to $9. Then I have $6 in manufacturer coupons because we're going to use 4 of these. That's going to leave me to pay just $3 at the register for all 4, which is already a good deal. That makes them 75 cents each. But we also still have that rebate for $5 in cash back for each set of 2 with a limit of 2 per household. So that's going to give us back $10 in cash back for all 4, making these babies a $7 moneymaker. And I'm gonna go check out with these real quick. I want them on a receipt by themselves for the rebate. I don't like my rebate receipts to be too long if I can avoid it. So we're gonna buy these. I'm gonna show you that receipt and then we'll move on to the next deal. So here is a close-up of my receipt for that Blue Diamond transaction. So after my coupons, everything came out to $2.76. I just paid that $2.76 because I will be submitting back for $10 for this transaction. So an easy, quick $7 moneymaker. Now what I'm gonna spend that $7 on is these baby Olay Regenerous creams. So I got this deal ideal from Lorena. I'm going to put her channel name up on the screen, but she did a remix to the deal that I did on Sunday, and she grabbed these instead because she could not find the travel size Olay in her store that they have up towards the front. So that $8 and that $4 digital coupon also work on this baby right here. So I'm going to grab 2 of these for $12.49. So that's going to total me up to $24.98. I have a 5 off of 20 Olay that I'm going to use. And then I have those 2 digital coupons that will double dip and come off. And I have a $2 CRT that's attaching as well. So after all of those coupons, I should end up paying $5.98 at the register for both, making these babies like $2.99 each. So here's a close-up of my receipt for that Olay deal. There are both of those digital coupons, my 5 off of 20 for the Olay, and then my $2 off for cosmetics came off. I rolled in a $5 extra buck and paid that 98 cents. So our total spent was $5.98 for both of those. The next thing I wanted to grab today was these Lubriderm lotions. So I want to get the ones that are 6 ounces for $4.39 because we have an Ibotta rebate that I didn't notice on yesterday if it was available on yesterday. It just jumped out to me today for $2.50. These are not on sale. They're $4.39, but I want to go ahead and grab these because we really like Lubriderm and we don't get deals on it that often. So that rebate makes these just $1.89 with no coupons required. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add these into a deal with a spin threshold coupon. So I'm going to do a 5 off of 30 to help pay for these and make these super cheap. So I'll show you how it works out. You could also add these in with like a 30 or 40% off coupon and then submit back to Ibotta to get these for free or cheap as well. As a filler item, I'm also going to grab one of these travel size Vino body washes. This should just be called the travel size video because I am buying all the travel size items today. So this is $2.69. We have a $2 Ibotta rebate that is attaching to this, making these only 69 cents. If you have any CRTs, then you can make these a moneymaker or a freebie. And thank you to my sis Tea Time for telling me about this. To get my total up to $30 so I can use that 5 off of 30, I'm going to do this deal on the Crest toothpaste again. These are $3.49 each, buy 2 get back 3, and we're going to pick up a total of 4. So with this, my total is going to come up to $13.96. I have a $6 digital that will apply, along with two $3 off of two digitals that'll double dip and come off. That's going to leave me to pay just $1.96 at the register. Then I'm going to get back $6 in extra bucks, making these a $4 money maker, which will in turn pay for our lotion. All right, you guys, so this is going to be what I'm going to grab in this final transaction. We're going to do the toothpaste, the Aveeno, and the Lubriderm. Let me show you how this transaction turns out. All right, you guys, so let me show you a close-up of my receipt for that last transaction. There is our crest, there's our Aveeno, there is our Lubriderm. All of our digitals came off for the crest, and then there's my 5 off of 30. Then I rolled in $12.82, a $5 extra buck, and then $7.82 out of pocket. You can place that on a Fetch Rewards gift card if you have. And then I did get back $9.60 from Ibotta, and I also got back $6 in extra bucks for the crest. So we got back a total of $15.60 after spending out $12.82. That transaction was free plus a $2.78 moneymaker. So you guys, for all of these little items that we got right here, this came out to be free plus about a $3.82 moneymaker in and out of CVS real quick and fast. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.